Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Beauty Forever and they got us on the Kinky Curly vibe. Now you guys already know anything kinky plus melanin is already gonna set the tone for something super fire. Today they sent me over this beautiful Kinky Curly Wig and she has like that nice perfect cut where it's much longer than a bob, but it hugs and kisses the shoulders and the chest for that perfect look for spring. You guys know we're bringing out the tank top. We're bringing out the chest a little bit, the sundresses, and this is the perfect length to be able to show that back out detail in all of your styles. I'm going to be doing a very simple, easy, straight to the point install today. This one is going to be very beginner friendly. The product we're going to be using today is a mousse, and this one is new to me. It has a beautiful peppermint and tea tree like scent to it. So if you're into that like earth vibe, it's going to add amazing notes to your fragrance and your chemistry of the day. We did go ahead and open up the party and add a little bit of baby hair just to, you know, add our own little twist. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Before I forget, this one fits 100% glueless. So I'm going to take my rat tail comb and show you guys. You can literally slide the rat tail under and lift, and she is glueless. As flawless as she looks, she's glueless. Okay, love bug, I'm super excited to hit you with some curly hair. Today I've teamed up with Beauty Forever. They sent me over this beautiful curly wig. It's giving all of the vibes, and then you also have that beautiful pre-everything lace. You have your pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. And look at how beautiful that looks. All of it, even the scallop cut at the hairline. If you flip it to the inside, you'll see this is a nice closure wig, but it's gonna fit nice and snug and give you that glueless illusion. But we're gonna go ahead and put her on and get started on the install. You definitely can do that as well. You can see here, she would be gorgeous as like a nice side part. All of the above would work with this one. So I'm not gonna waste any time. We're gonna go in, and first of all, you wanna make sure that your wig cap, if you're wearing one, is far enough back. We apply the lace melting spray and then we begin to work that in. You guys know me, you don't necessarily have to have baby hair, but I like to have some kind of action going on in the front. We use shade 15 first, and we're going in with shade 16. Here is what she is looking like from the back. I love the density and the fullness on this one, as well as the beautiful curl pattern. This one most certainly is giving Black Barbie. Feel free to like add your own taper cut to it. I'm not an expert with that, so I don't want to ruin the look and the vibe. So that's something that I would wait to. So that is something I will wait to do when the wig gets a little bit older, so I can, just in case I mess it up, I can already have a nice wear out of it. The hairline was absolutely beautiful as is, but I did open it up a little bit with lace tint as well as some baby hair. The parting is gorgeous, and the icing on the cake is that this was a almost put the wrong thing, a one product install. The only exception was we did use a little edge control. You can for sure use this as an edge control as well and just use a wig band, but the ends we did no dynamic duo. We did it all with the product and it's gorgeous. Okay, you know we can't leave out here without a quick 1-2. What would this one look like in an up to? I don't know if I've done a one with a curl pattern this tight and curly before, so let's just see if we can make it do what it do. Now with this one, you can take and you can just pull those two strings forward like that, twist it, make sure you have all the hair gathered, please hold. And still a vibe, right? Super gorgeous. Okay, love bugs, we have the hair roasting under the melt belt. We just did a super quick reinstall. Absolutely gorgeous, a 10 out of 10 when it comes to this hair. Now, I'm not a girl who knows how to layer hair, so I could be really making a mistake, but YOLO, YOLO. And the wig is not bonded down, and she still looks super melted. Absolutely amazing. Also, if you're someone who likes to switch it up, this one definitely is very easy to restyle in different ways. You can definitely do a half up, half down, or two quick and easy like pigtails. Super simple and easy to achieve. And just like that, we got a fun new hairstyle. We went for the half up, half down. And as you guys can see, super simple and easy to achieve. The hair is nice and full and natural, so it looks good. The hairline is still nice and flawless. And if you want, you can go ahead and snip the lace even more. I find that whenever I like reinstall my wig, like I take it off and then I put it back on, a lot of the times I'll look at the lace and be like, oh, it's perfect, it doesn't need anything. But in camera and flashback, you may feel like you could have just touched it up a little. So we'll do that just to avoid any error. Okay, so this is styled as a beautiful half up, half down. The hairline is still flawless. It's still giving natural even from the side. Even with the baby hair, everything looks flawless. Now let's get back into the rest of the video. Before we head out, here is the packaging from Beauty Forever.